Welcome to Slide Bazar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series dedicated to helping you master PowerPoint. In this video, we'll explore how you can create a presentation with a clickable menu that your audience can interact with. This interactive menu lets them navigate through your presentation with ease, making it more engaging and fun. Your audience will spend more time exploring your information, helping them connect better with your content. But first, I would like to talk about Slide Bazar's free add-in that can greatly enhance your PowerPoint workflow and help you create stunning presentations in no time. Links to the add-in are in the description below. Check it out for free. Alright, let's get started. To create a clickable menu in PowerPoint, you'll need to use hyperlinks. Hyperlinks can link to external pages, another document, or a specific place within the document itself. We'll use this feature to create our interactive menu in PowerPoint. First, design your menu. You can use text boxes, shapes, images, or anything else that can be hyperlinked in PowerPoint. To create the menu, let's first draw a shape over the slide and change its color. I'm going to add a gradient color. And then I'm going to add another shape and use one of the corner handles to change its corners. And then I will change the colors and tweak the outline. And then let's duplicate the shape by holding Ctrl and dragging the shape. And draw another shape over it as shown. And then select both and go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and click on Fragment. And then delete the unnecessary parts. Then let's change its color and move it to build our menu. Add some icons for the menu and some text. And then just duplicate the slide as shown and add content to each slide. Now let's convert the menu you've just created into hyperlinks. Each shape, image or text should link to a specific place in your PowerPoint document. Right-click on the menu item and select Link, or just press Ctrl K. A dialog box titled Insert Hyperlink will appear. On the left side, click on Place in this document. Select the slide you want to link to and repeat this step for each individual menu item. Once you're done, your menu will be interactive. Run your slideshow and click on individual menu items to check if they work. Now, to make this navigation much more smoother for your audience, you can add a button on each target slide to go back to the main slide with the menu. For this, you can create a shape and link it to the main slide. Finally, it's a good idea to add a message that pops up when hovering over a menu item. You can do this by adding some text as a screen tip in the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. So there you have it. That's all you need to know to create interactive menus in PowerPoint. I hope this video has been helpful. Do not forget to check out Slide Bazar's free PowerPoint add-in. The links are in the description. Subscribe for more videos like this.